we're normally at the end process, so we add all the hardware kit, so down from handles to closers onto the doors once they've came off the paint line. There is a lot of different styles of hardware. Once you've got into doing some, they all near enough go into one. It's the same basis of fitment. Skill-wise, you would need, well, apart from patience, just being able to use hand tools, just a keen eye for detail, and not getting too flustered with if something goes wrong. Making sure you just prepped, and that's probably the basics.